CR718 Common Rail Injector Test Bench is the newest model, added printer built-in function. It is the highest configuration Common Rail Injector Test Bench. It can test all common rail and piezo injectors Bosch, Denso, Delphi, Cummins, Cat, Siemens, and so on. The pressure can reach 2800 bar. For the system include more than 10,000 datas, and the data will continue to be upgraded online. It is quickly testing and normal testing options, auto testing and manual testing, single-step testing. It also can test common rail injector parts, include A, H, E, and B, I, P. Now testing finish, we can print the report if need.